but this is your main dashboard. So on the left hand side, right, post, pages, boom, you got what you need. Click on pages. You have a home page. Hello world, da 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 da. Let's take the tour. This gives you a little bit of information. Now, you can keep this. You're allowed to do what you want to do and play around with your home page however you want to play around with, you know. But if you need a little bit extra help, click on add new page. And then when you add a new page, you get a variety of options. Click on home page. And this gives you a little template. You know, you see the work girl on the beach, click the work girl on the beach, right? You can come in, you can add your own picture, you can delete her. You can add your own picture, you can change the text. Well, I clicked on it, right? So you see how the box is highlighted. On the right hand side, you see text and you see background. These only pop up when you click something to highlight. Once you click it, it's little things you can play around with the text color, you know, have some fun, do what you want to do, and you can play around with the background color, you know. That's ugly. Ooh. Let's just stick with that for right now. Again, it allows you to do certain things like that. So playing around with it, upload, delete your picture, delete the whole thing. Let's say you deleted something and you liked what you had. Left hand corner up top, undo. There we go. Boom. All right. Play around with this however you want to play around with this. Create your homepage however you want to create your homepage. All of this good stuff, right? But once you see latest stories, you stop. Don't touch this section. Because what happens is all of your blog posts will auto-populate as you progress. And you don't want to mess with this because it does it automatically because of how the coding for the themes is set up. So it'll auto-populate whenever you publish a new post. Don't touch this section. Play around with everything above. Play around with it below. Leave that section alone. All right? And when I say below, you have this option as well all the way at the bottom. So, you know, you created your email account. Somebody wants to subscribe to you. They log in there. Well, they enter their email, press subscribe. Down here, you see WordPress, you see Twitter, you see Facebook. You click on these little icons. You can take your Twitter name, URL, paste it in there. And that way, when somebody click on it, it'll automatically go to your Twitter account. You can also delete things. Most people ain't use the Facebook no more. So, click on Facebook, remove Facebook. Okay? Go back and click on a little section. Click the black square. Type in Instagram. Boom. Now, you're entering your Instagram URL into that little box, and it'll go right to your Instagram account. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Add a title. Okay, we have a home page. Let's go back to pages. Okay. You see, I clicked on the three little dots, and I did set its home page. Now, some of y'all may not have that option to set as home page. Do not worry, do not fret. We will fix that in the customized section that we saw earlier. So if you don't see that, relax, don't worry about it. I got you. So we're going to add 4 more pages. Add new page. This one is going to be a blank page. We're going to type blogs and blogs. And when I say blank, I mean blank. Don't worry about nothing. And publish it as is. Go back to pages. Add another page. Click on contacts. You can have this. A lot of y'all choose this one. There's nothing wrong with this, right? However, there are other options as well. So, I'm going to show you the other options. Click on blank page. Down here, click the black box. Other options, registration, appointment form, RSVP. You don't need that, but that's there. Contact information, contact form. That's a demo contact form box. Boom. That's another option for you. Okay. And now we are going to add about page. You can choose this layout. You could choose this one. I don't like that, but you can choose that. Let's choose this one. Boom. Okay. Once you get here, enter in your contact about you. Bop, bop, bop. Boom. And then you come in, you delete things, you change things, make things personal to you. Again, just like how we did before, we enter in Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, all of that good stuff. You take those specific URLs, and publish that. So we are done with your pages. We are now going to go into the post section. So click on your post. Let's say I wrote this, right? Let's just click on it. Hello world. Okay, now many people, this is going to be intro post. It just comes with it automatically. It is what it is. So hello world. So my first blog post. Welcome to WordPress. Da-da-da-da. Yay! Congratulations, you made your first WordPress blog post. All right, cool. Now let's say this is done. Boom. Okay. Now there are different things you can do. Once you click this black box, you can come in here, click image. This is how you upload an image. So you can upload it from your desktop, from your downloads. Okay. And see how the image just popped up there? Boom. All right. Now you see how I changed it? You can change, you can manipulate, you can do all of those things, right? You can also align left, align center, align right. Playing around with the picture. Also, click here again. Type in GIF. Let's keep JoJo going. Boom. Okay. That's how you add a GIF. With all your pictures, make sure you have a caption of who took it. I took this one. So let's see. How do I want to fix it? I don't want to do that. It's okay. Sometimes you make mistakes. It's cool. We're going to do it again. Image. But because we already had an image, we're going to select the image from our media library. Okay? And look, there's the picture. Again, like I said, make sure you got a caption. So let's say you upload it without a caption, right? You go in the media library, you click the image, you click on edit. The caption, I took the photo, so I write my own name. But if you get a photo from online and things like that, you caption wherever you got it from. And you see, popped up right here. First blog post. So on the right hand side, if you are, pay very close attention, if you are going to separate your blogs and blogs in the menu option, this next step is going to be for you. If you are not, you don't have to worry about nothing. Stick around, but you don't have to worry about this next step. So if you're going to separate your blogs and your blogs, on the right hand column, click on categories, click on uncategorized, and you're going to add 2 new categories. You're going to add blogs and blogs. Now, whenever you add a blog, you're clearly going to type in blog. You're going to select blog. Whenever you add a vlog, you're going to select vlog. And if it works to both of them one time, hey, click on both of them. It won't kill you. But what happens is the category, so you know how you go on a different site and they'll have menus. The menus will be up top, and underneath the menus, when you click on a certain word, it's like sub menus. This is how your menu will pop up. So underneath the blogs and blogs page that we created, it'll be one dot blogs and then another dot blogs, so it gives you those options as well. So this is just a blog, boom, 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 and featured image. Y'all need to have a featured image. People forget this step. Just because you put a image in your body of your post does not mean it's the featured image. A featured image is something it can be the same image, but what happens is it is the article picture. And whenever you share the article, that picture is shared along with the article. When we publish the article on the home page, you will see how the picture populates. It is important. You need to have a featured image. You need to. Like this, it is what it is, So featured image, click on image, media library. We're going to click on JoJo again. Boom, boom, boom. Update. Or publish if you want to start from new. Cool. Go back to your post. Okay, let's do a vlog post this time. Let's do... Now, y'all don't know me, but I love R&B music, and Toni Braxton's one of my favorite singers of all time. Boom. So this year's 30 years since her debut album. So let's say I want to talk about it. Boom, 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 right? All right. So let's say I'm making a vlog, right? There we go. Now, I already uploaded the video on YouTube. Let's say I already uploaded the video on YouTube. If you don't know how to upload a video on YouTube, see, that's what I meant. You come over here, upload video, just like that. But After you find your video, copy, paste a hyperlink. I like things centered, so I just do me. Give it a little bit of words, and come over here. Now, I am going to show you what I meant by crediting where you got the image from. So I'm going to choose Tony's debut album cover. And her label at the time was LaFace and Arista Records. Now, don't go to Wikipedia necessarily. I knew her label because I have the album. Most people that know Tony know it. So I'm just going to copy that real quick. But do not go to Wikipedia as your main source. I just happen to know it's correct. You know? That image is going to be too small. Let's see. Oh, look, Beyonce. I want to find one that's going to be the right size. It's too small. Let's go to... Sometimes your images, you know, hey. You got to go above and beyond. That's all right. All right, cool. Tony debut. We got it. Let's go back to the article. This is my vlog, right? Categories. Vlog. Featured image. Select. Media library. Now I got to add the picture. Add new. Now there are two ways you can do it. You can do add new and then find the picture that you added. Edit. Caption. Boom. Or featured image. Let's replace the image media library. You can drag. Well, you can drag and it'll upload again, you know, but two ways. Cool. We are done. So I gave you an example of a blog post and a blog post. So we got the 4 pages. We have blog and vlog, featured image. Let's go into customizing your site. Going back to what we saw the first time. So left-hand column, appearance, customize. Oh, and if you, let's say you got the theme and you don't like it, again, appearance, theme. You go on appearance. If your menu is large, you'll see appearance. If it's not large, you'll see like the little paintbrush sign. Paintbrush appearance, you get it. But appearance and theme, to change your theme, and appearance and customize to elevate your site. So you see we have a menu up top. Hyperlink, home page. This is what I meant by you need to have a featured image, because it'll pull for you. All right, so site identity. Again, that's your WordPress name that appears there. You see how I took away the L, added back. That's that. Tagline is what you see underneath here. So remember what I said. You can change it. You can always change it. There we go. Make sure you click this back arrow, not the one up top that's above it. You make sure you click this back arrow right here beneath the X. All right. Colors and background. Again, just a palette thing. Don't click on none of these. We can't read your text if you click on any of them and they're tacky. Don't do it. It's hard for the reader to read. But here's where you can play around with the palette. They have different palettes, you know. Each one does something different. Sometimes they work a little bit better than others, but this will allow you to have a little bit more variety if you so choose. You know, I'm cool with that for right now. Yeah, fonts. This will allow you to change some things like headings. So this will be a heading, right? That'll also be a heading. You can change things like that. Boom. Your base font changes things like that, like the about me things. Little things like that. You know, not too much. It's the free version. Header image now. Dr. P told me she taught you how to make banners in Canva. This one of the two. This is where you upload your header. So add new image. You will upload just like how I uploaded the Tony Braxton photo. Put it here. Boom, boom, boom. You will upload it that way. Or less. Well, no, she taught you for a reason. So I won't say pick none of these because y'all made your own banner. But this is where you change your banner. Menu. All right, cool. Now, this is where you organize your menu. And remember, I said earlier that if by chance your pages, when you clicked on the three dots, if they didn't have the set as home page, set as post page, this is how we gonna fix it for you. Okay. Create new menu. Main. Name your menu. You can name your menu whatever you want. Nobody's gonna see the name of the menu but you. Just so you know what it is. Menu location, header. That's gonna be at the top like it already is, right? And then click on next. Now you're designing your menu. So after you get to the final page, you're gonna add new items. You're gonna add your home page, your about me page, your contact page, your blogs and blog page. Now, I clicked them in order. Let's say I don't want this order, right? Drop and drag, baby. Drop and drag. Boom, boom, boom. All right. There we go. Now, here, if you're going to keep the blogs and blogs together, cool. You're done. If you're going to keep them separate, this next step is for you. So, again, go to categories. You're going to select blogs, and you are going to select the vlogs. Now, because they are categories, you're going to drag them underneath the blogs and vlogs section. However, you're going to indent them. So that way it's like these are the main and this is a subset. So it'll appear in the menu. Like if you look over here on the right hand side, you see how it has that down arrow already? That's how it should pop up. After you get your menu right? Homepage settings. Make sure if sometimes it'll automatically do this. It'll automatically be on static page. If it's not on static page, select static page. Okay? Home page, make it your home page. Your post page, you see how that was empty? Select blogs and vlogs. Now we're going to save the changes. Don't touch nothing. You see a little circle right there working. Don't touch nothing. All right, cool. I'm going to run you through. Boom. All right. Home page. Let's click on it. Let's see what pops up. Boom. Boom. All right, cool. Cool. Oh, look. Blogs and vlogs. So let's see what's under here. Boom. Let's see how the blog is looking. Boom. Let's see how both look together. There we go. About. After you finish, you make sure that everything looks like how you want it to look. And you're good. Everything looks fine. Everything looks good. And again, let's say you choose this theme and you don't like the theme. You can always go back and choose a new theme. You know, it's trial and error. But again, there are certain things that do not work. The 2022-2023 themes do not work. If you see a bird, do not choose the bird. That bird is a bird of death. Everything else, trial and error. Well, again, I would suggest that you go to the blog excerpts option, because those guaranteed to work for mostly everybody. But yeah, okay, cool. Here you go. That's how you set up a site, and hopefully this helps you in any way, shape, or form.